Welcome to the course of Human Resource Management. Human Resource Management, we are dealing with people at work. The entire aspects, functions about the work environment in an organization are attached to people who are involved in managing people. So managing people is what we are trying to learn through human resource management. Earlier, we have studied organizational behavior in semester 2 to understand about the psychological aspects about people. Now here, in human resource management, as a continuity, we are trying to learn about the work environment and providing a very good work environment for people who are joining in your organization. So with this introduction, I just wanted to highlight what all are the contents which we are learning in human resource management. Let us see each particular unit, what is being covered in the respective units. Unit number 1 talks about the basics, what or meaning, importance, objectives, functions of human resource management or a human resource manager, the duties and responsibilities of human resource manager. And then we move on to and look a bird's eye view on the international context of human resource management. Because when we are talking about international level, we have to meet people with a different cultural background, different expectations. So we are going to talk about HRM in international context. Apart from the major introductory aspects about human resource management, we also focus on 3 aspects, which is called as human resource audit, to check about the people resource in the organization, human resource accounting, trying to convert from a qualitative aspect to a quantitative aspect, and human resource information system, which provides an integrated aspect onto the various informations which we require about people in the organization. Unit number 2 starts with describing or explaining about each function in detail. So human resource function starts with planning. Human resource planning or manpower planning, trying to find out how much number of people we require and how much already there. And based on this human resource planning, the other functions are in lined up. Recruitment, trying to get people, the right type of people from various sources. Selection process, selecting the best candidate by various means, using of test, using of a selection procedure, and it differs from one organization to another, and it differs from one job to another. And once selected, providing an induction or orientation to make them accustomed to the new organization culture. And then frequently, as and when required, providing training program. So these are the topics which are covered in unit number 2. Continuing the functions of human resource management, unit number 3 covers 2 major topics: performance appraisal and compensation. Performance appraisal is a checkpoint into whether the employee in the organization is functioning as per the requirement. And then it is not just a checkpoint, it is also to get various suggestions for improvement. So performance appraisal has grown into that particular level to upgrade the functions, the activities which an employee does. The second part of unit number 3 is about compensation. As we tell, salary package. Compensation involves, it's a very big term, which involves various aspects. As you all know, in a salary, there are a lot of additions, deductions. So we are going to look onto these areas in unit number 3. Unit number 4, the title Internal Mobility, talks about the changes, modifications which are happening inside the organization. So internal mobility talks about according to the needs, changes, and development which is happening in the organization, we try to get or try to build up the right type of people in the organization. So here we talk about promotions, transfer, and right sizing of workforce. Right sizing of workforce means the correct number of people, because if there is more number of people in the organization and we don't have that much work, it leads to additional cost. So we discuss about these aspects, and then there are 3 other topics which we are going to learn in this particular chapter. One is about career management, or trying to provide a base or trying to provide a platform for the employees in building up their career in the organization. We used to tell as career ladder, each and every positions after a particular period of time of experience and knowledge, they try to climb up this career ladder. So we talked about career management in that perspective. Then we have knowledge management, how in an organization, upgrading the knowledge of the employees, what platform we can give to the employees. And then we talk about employee engagement, committed, dedicated to the work and to the organization is what we try to learn through employee engagement. Unit number 5 talks about work environment. We all know that providing a very good work environment motivates the employee to stay in the organization and to be more productive. We have learned about Herzberg's 2-factor theory, where they were highly focusing on the importance of work environment. Now here, a situation has to be provided, or we are going to learn about the problems which normally happens in a work environment, and we are trying to overcome that. So the concentration is on to the particular work. So when we talk about a particular, it may lead to fatigue, it may lead to monotony, it may lead to boredom. So we try to find out solutions to overcome these situations. And in a very big manufacturing units, where more number of people are working, machines are there, accidents likely happens. So preventing from industrial accidents, protecting people from accidents is what we are going to learn through that topic of industrial accidents. Safety aspects to be taken care of by employees when they are working in an organization. And of course, the last topic talks about grievance handling. Grievance issues, problems faced by employees are being taken into a platform to discuss and to sort out these problems. So these are the contents which you are learning in this particular subject of human resource management. Happy learning.